Okay, and here we have our multiplication and division properties, which are the same thing as what we've been doing thus far. So 5x is less than 45. You need to divide by the coefficient, so we're dividing by 5. And we get x is less than 9. Over here, first thing you need to do is get rid of the constant, so we have to add 2 because it's a minus 2. And we get b divided by 8 is greater than or equal to 10. Now you need to undo your division, so you're going to multiply it by 8. What you do to one side, you do to the other. And so you get b is greater than or equal to 80. Pause these ones and try them on your own. And y is divided by 4 is less than or equal to 3, so you're going to times 4. What you do to one side, you do to the other, and you get y is less than 12. In this one, you divide by the coefficient, so we're dividing by 2. I'm just going to keep this as 7 over 2 is greater than or equal to f. Now, if you don't watch this video or learn anything from this video, this is what you need to know with inequalities. The most important thing that you need to learn today. When you multiply or divide by a negative sign with inequalities, you have to flip the symbol. Like star, star, highlight, so important, you need to know this. So here, we start off solving as we always would. Get rid of the constant. So we need to add 18. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So we get 6 is greater than negative 3q. Now we divide by our coefficient. So our coefficient is negative 3. So you have to divide by negative 3. Remember on this page I said like star, star, so important. When you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to flip the symbol. So here, 6 divided by negative 3 will be negative 2. This symbol needs to flip directions. And then we'll have q. So there's your answer there. So when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to flip the symbol. And so finally, you can pause and try these one on your own, and then you'll be ready to go off onto your assignment. So here, dividing by the coefficient, divide by negative 8, divide by negative 8, and we get z, symbol flip, so greater than positive 3, because when you multiply or divide, negatives come in pairs. Here, our coefficient is a fraction, so we're going to multiply by the reciprocal times whatever our reciprocal is. 18 can be written as 18 over 1. Remember that we have negative numbers, so first thing I'm going to do is go a negative times a positive is a negative. Now 18 times 3 gets us 54 over 2, which you can break down into negative 27. We multiplied by a negative number, so our symbol here needs to flip directions. And those canceled out, so g is greater than negative 27, or negative 27 is less than g. Good luck!